Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you are new, my name is Shebo. Welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in this one, I'm going to show you guys how I created this beautiful easy glam holiday makeup tutorial. I really love how everything turned out. Of course, the red lipstick is so beautiful for the holidays, and this look anyone can create. It's a very simple, very easy. So I'm going to show you step by step on how to achieve this look right here. But before we begin, I just want to take a moment and wish each and everyone out there a happy holidays. Have an awesome time with your loved one. Have fun, eat a lot of food. I know I will. The holiday is always an excuse to eat a lot of chocolates and all that good stuff. Why not? So yeah, make sure that you stay safe, and yeah, now let's get into the video to show you how I created this look. So to begin, I'm going to prime my eyelids using Colourpop No Filter Concealer in shade Dark 46. I'm just gonna apply this on the lid. Like that, and then just start blending that everywhere. So for the eyes, I'm going to be using the I Heart Makeup Revolution, and this one is their chocolate rose gold palette. And I'm going to take this shade here, and I'm just gonna set my concealer, of course the one I applied on my eyelids. I'm just gonna use that shade to set that out. For the transition shade, I'm going to use this shade here. This one is called My Own, and I'm going to apply this all over the crease. Oh, my lips are a bit ashy. Let me put some moisturizer. By the way, guys, I'm using this lip balm here. I really love this. This one is from Red Wing. I've done a video on this. It's really nice. It's all natural, all organic, 100% organic coconut oil. It's really nice. Moisturizing for the lips. I love it. That's out of the way. Alright, so for the eyelids, I'm not sure which shades I should go for. I'm torn between these four right here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think I'm going to take this shade right here. This one is called, by the way, if you see me looking down, I'm reading the names. They're just on this little piece of paper. So I think I'm going to go in with this shade, and this one is called Dirty Rich right there. So I'm just going to apply this all over the eyelid, and I think I'm going to use my finger, probably it's best. Oh, that's pretty. That is a nice color, you guys. Wow. I think for this eye, I'm going to try to use a brush and just wet it and see what we get from there. So let's do that. So you can see how, how good the shadows apply. Wow, I think you get more intense color if you actually wet your brush, which is pretty cool. That is stunning. I think I'm actually gonna wet it a little bit more. I'm still using the same color, you guys, the one I applied on the other eye. Just packing it on this eye here. That is beautiful. Just gonna put a little bit more on this eye so we can get the same color payoff. So next I'm going to take this shade here. This one is called Backup, and I'm going to apply this on the outer V of my eyes. Just here. This one is a very beautiful brown shade. Just deepen up this just a little bit. Let's do to the other eye. I want to add more colors on my eyelids, but I'm not sure which one I should use. So I'm leaning toward these two here. So the first one is this one here, and this one is called Touch Me, and the other one is this yellow color right here. It's called Hard Work. I'm just gonna swatch both of them for you guys. So this one here is Hard Work, and this one right here is Touch Me. So we've got those two colors. I'm not sure which one I should. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this one here. This one is Hard Work, and I'm just going to apply this using my finger, of course, just right here. Wow, that's stunning. It's beautiful. Just have to blend it properly. And the next shade, I'm going to take this one here. This one is called Girl Boss, and I'm going to apply that again on the outer corner, just to mix with that dark brown, the first one I applied. I think I'm just going to bring it a little bit here. So going back in with Dirty Rich again, and just I think the first coat I put kind of disappeared, so we're just gonna put a little bit more to bring back the color, like that. That's how I want it to look. Just gonna go the other eye. So for my bottom lashes, I'm going to mix the two shades, which is Side Chick and also Girl Boss, which is right here. So I'm going to mix those two and apply them on my my lower lash line. And for my inner corners right here, I'm going to use this shade. This one is called Gold Digger, and we're just going to pop this one. And last but not least, I'm going to take this shade here. This one is called Hold Up, and I'm going to use this one to highlight my brow bone. Next, I'm going to apply some mascaras to my top and bottom lashes using our Terra Lash Extension Mascara, which is this one here. Now I'm going to apply some forces off camera, and I will be right back. And for the lips, I'm going to go in with this beautiful, beautiful red shade from Colourpop, and this one is called Ariba. Very, very pretty. So this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful glam holiday makeup tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a huge massive thumbs up, and of course subscribe down to my channel below if you haven't done so already, and also turn on the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, I hope you guys had fun, and take care. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now.